Today we're breaking down something every DIYer, maker, builder, and tinkerer thinks about. What are the essential tools every maker needs? Whether you're building wood, wiring electronics, or diving into 3D printers, I got you covered. Now let's talk about the essential tools every maker needs. A workstation setup. You can't build anything without a good foundation, and I'm not talking about lumber, I'm talking about your workspace. A solid modular workbench with built-in power, drawers, and storage is a game changer. If you're tight on space, foldable or wall-mounted benches like the Ryobi Stowaway are great. Keeping your tools organized saves more time than you think. Core hand tools. A claw hammer, screwdriver, tape measure, level utility knife, pliers, and adjustable wrench are non-negotiable. Add clamps to the list too, you never have enough clamps. And don't forget your safety gear such as gloves, goggles, and even ear protection. You only get one set of eyes, don't mess that up. Power tools. Now let's talk power. Cordless tools are king. A brushless drill is hands down the first power tool you should buy. After that, grab a circular saw, an oscillating multi-tool, or orbital sander. Those four tools will let you conquer 80% of your projects right out of the gate. Digital fabrication. Now this one is near and dear to me. And here's where things get really exciting. Makers aren't just cutting wood, we're cutting layers of filament. 3D printers belong to every shop now. Whether you're printing parts, terrain for Dungeons and Dragons, or jigs for your woodworking, pair it with a laser cutter or CNC mill. And you've got a pro-level fab shop in the garage. And don't sleep on software. Fusion 360, Tinkercad, FreeCAD, and Nomad Sculpt make designing your parts way easier. Plus, sites like Thingiverse are filled with free designs. Electronics and small projects. You want to add LEDs, sensors, or motors? Then you'll need a soldering iron and a digital multimeter. Those are your bread and butter for electronics. I'd also recommend a Dremel rotary tool, a hot glue gun, and a digital caliper. Those tools will open up a whole new world of tinkering. So there you have it. There's your essential starter maker toolkit. Start with your basics and level up your power tools as well as your digital fabrication when you're ready. The blend of old school craftsmanship and new school tech is what makes being a maker so exciting these days. And if you're already rocking these tools in your makerspace, let me know in the comments below what your must-have tool is. For more on 3D printing, DIY, and maker projects, make sure you like and follow Maker Build It, and remember, keep on making.